Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Kai. So the reason why I'm wearing this hat is because I'm making this video in December. So happy holidays to everybody. For this lesson we are learning O-ox-ah. And so I thought a great lesson would be like to learn how to draw an ox, which is a form of a cow. And then we could learn how to write the Chinese character for the word ox. So let's get started. Okay, boys and girls, so we have our paper. Oh, there we go. And I'm going to be using just a regular Sharpie marker for this. And it didn't have a ruler, so I have a popsicle stick. Okay, I'm just going to use my popsicle stick to draw a straight line at the top of my paper. There we go. Straight line. So that I can write what we're learning about. Today our letter is O. Our keyword is ox. And the sound, which I make with these two brackets, is ah. Let's try that again. O, ox, ah. Okay? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and try and draw an ox. So let's learn how to draw an ox. The first thing I need is his mouth. So his mouth is drawn using an oval. Can you see that? An oval. And on top of the oval, I'm just going to draw like a circle. That'll be his head. Okay? Now my ox needs some horns and maybe some ears. Have some ears. Okay? I know this is his nose, so he'll have a nose holes. And we'll give him some eyes. So now that was an easy way to draw the head of my ox. I just drew an oval and then I added a little circle on the top. Yeah. I gave him 2 horns, 2 ears. I drew in his nose and his eyes. Wow, we're halfway there, guys. So he kind of needs a body, right? But we're going to draw him sitting down. So I want to mark out where I'm going to have his arms. He's going to have like 2 arms. Okay. I'll put them right here because he's sitting down. And then he needs cow hooves. So cow hooves kind of look like that. That way I know where I need to draw his bottom belly. And I know he needs to have some legs sticking out. And then it goes up to his chest. Legs sticking out. And it comes up to his chest. Let's give him a little tail. Right? And then at the end of the tail, we'll give him a little, like that kind of tail. He needs some back hooves because he's sitting on his hindquarters. And we'll give him a little belly. And then we have an ox. Does that look like an ox to you? Next, let's learn how to write ox in Chinese. This is how we write ox using a Chinese character. So you are going to make the side of a house, and then from right in the middle of it, it comes across. You have a longer parallel line, and then straight down. So that's the Chinese character for ox. Okay? Super simple. So looks like you're making the side of a house. Comes across once, across twice, and straight down. O-ox-ooo. So we drew our little ox figure and we wrote the ox character in Chinese. Hope you enjoyed this. You can go ahead and rewind and rewatch if you need to see it again. Bye.